Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make two types of tassel earrings. First are the ones which I'm wearing right now, and second is this pair. These are pretty inexpensive and pretty easy to make as well. The material used is very easily available everywhere. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I made it, please keep on watching. So for the first pair of earrings, you're gonna need a pair of hoop earrings, some embroidery thread in different colors, a piece of cardboard and scissors. Literally, that's all you need. Now start off with wrapping the embroidery thread around the piece of cardboard about 50 times. The piece of cardboard I've used here is about the size of a business card. When you're done doing that, just cut off the thread from one end of the cardboard and also cut off the extra string of thread that's hanging. Now take your hoop earring and place your piece of thread on it like the way I've shown in the video, and take another piece of thread in a different color or in the same color if you want, and wrap it around the tassel a couple of times and then create a knot. I am creating a double knot here to secure it really well. Now just take your scissors and cut off the excess thread from the bottom of the tassel to make it look neat and even. And create more such tassels depending on the size of your earrings, and your earrings are ready. Now with the next pair of earrings, you're gonna again need some embroidery thread in different colors, a piece of cardboard, earring hooks, needle and thread, and scissors. You're gonna again start off with wrapping the thread around the piece of cardboard, this time about 70 times. When you're done doing that, just cut off the thread from one end again. And what you have is this. Now just take some more thread in the same color and wrap it around the tassel halfway through it and create a knot. Now fold your tassel in half and take some more thread in the same color and wrap it around the tassel like the way I've shown in the video a few times, and then create a knot again. Now just cut off the extra pieces of thread and also the excess thread from the bottom of the tassel. And you have your cute little tassel ready. Create more tassels in different colors in the same way. Now take a threaded needle and pass it through the middle of the tassel you want to be at the top of your earring. Then take the tassel you want to be at the middle of your earring and pass the needle through it. And finally take the tassel which you want to be at the end of your earring and pass the needle through it. Now push all your tassels to the very top of the thread and reverse your way. So now you're gonna go from the bottom to the top. Now just create a knot at the top to secure it and cut off the extra thread. Now take your earring hook and pass it through the thread. And there you go, your tassel earrings are ready. So as you saw, these earrings are pretty easy to make and look quite chic as well. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, bye.